Do you spend a great deal of time sharing and emailing meeting notes? Do you find that you're concerned about the lack of follow-up for actions that have been identified during those meetings? Do you feel out of the loop when it comes to knowing about decisions made for your students when more intensive supports are required? WeCollab email notifications have been designed to ensure staff remain informed. Notes are automatically sent to meeting attendees, as well as those identified to be notified when a meeting has ended in WeCollab. Email summaries are automatically sent from WeCollab on either a weekly or a daily basis. These emails communicate to each WeCollab user their overdue actions, their upcoming actions, and any scheduled meetings to which they've been selected as an attendee. If staff subscribe to specific students, information is included in these emails, including alerts added to the student profile and meetings conducted in which the student has been discussed. Schedule a conversation with our WeCollab team to learn more about how the system can support transparent, effective, and timely communication.